Peppa Pig, ding dong, let's play. Peppa is planning a picnic today with her friends. All of a sudden, it starts to rain. Oh no, we will show up when it's raining, Peppa says to Mommy Pig. Ding dong! Susie Sheep shows up.
It's me!
And she's brought a cake for the picnic. Ring! Now Pedro Pony
Hello, everyone!
is here with sandwiches. Perhaps rainy days aren't so bad after all, says Peppa.
Yippee!
We can have a picnic in the kitchen. What a lovely idea, Peppa, says Mommy Pig. Ding dong! It's Candy Cat at the door.
Meow.
She's brought a ball for everyone to play with at the picnic. George runs to his room and gets his favorite toy too.
Dinosaur!
While the children start to eat cake and sandwiches, the sun comes out. Mommy, Daddy, it stopped raining, says Peppa.
Yippee!
Can we go outside and play? Ha ha. All right, says Daddy Pig. Run along, everyone. And don't forget your boots. Just then, the doorbell rings. More of Peppa's friends are at the door. It's too muddy for an outdoor picnic, but it's just right to jump in muddy puddles. Susie Sheep,
It's me!
Pedro Pony,
Hello, everyone!
Candy Cat,
Meow.
and George
Dinosaur!